Hello, in today's video I will be unboxing the new to me Solo Red Light 5D Laser Light Therapy Mask. What caught my attention about this product is the fact that this mask is a laser light therapy device, and I have heard that laser is more effective than only LED for anti-aging. In my case, I am almost 50 and I am trying to minimize my age spot and my melasma. And reading the benefit of this device ignited my curiosity to try it. So today I will be showing you how it looks like and giving you my first impressions. And in the future I will letting you know my experience after using this for a few months. I really like the presentation. It comes well packed in this white and golden box. The material of the mask is very soft to the touch and the color is neutral beige. I really like the color, it's my favorite. The package includes the mask, the remote controller, two AAA batteries, a USB charging cable, a velvety storage pouch, and the user's manual. We will only need a wall charging adapter to charge the mask. They also recommend to charge it for 3 hours to enjoy up to 40 minutes of use. I personally think that depends on how much time we take in each session. That's how long it will last the charge of the mask. According to the user's manual, before using the mask, we need to have a clean and dry skin. I think that's the best recommendation. Wash your face and dry it before doing the mask. I don't think it's convenient, and also I don't think it's healthy to do the treatment with the face full of makeup or oils. As you can see, this mask has a velcro strap to adjust it to our face shape and size. This device also has 3 levels of brightness. Level 1 is low, level 2 is medium, and level 3 is high. And also it has 3 timer settings. If I'm not mistaken, timer 1 is from 5 to 15 minutes, timer 2 is 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and timer 3 is 10 to 15 minutes. It also has 2 light modes, the red and the blue. The mode 1 is the glow boost therapy. It has the red and near infrared light. That's the one I am more interested in. The benefit of this mode is that it reduces wrinkles, fine lines, and boosts circulation, and is recommended to use it for up to 10 minutes 4 times per week. The mode 2 is the clear skin therapy. It has the blue plus near infrared light. The benefit of the blue lights help controls acne, reduce inflammation and redness. It's recommended to use up to 5 to 10 minutes 4 times per week on high brightness. According to the manual, you can adjust the brightness if you have sensitive skin. To operate the mask, we need to use the remote controller. According to their website, this device is FDA-approved, and its benefits include reducing wrinkles, dark circles, help controlling acne, redness, inflammation, and more. This mask has a weight of 208 grams, in case you're curious. Since I am almost 50, I am more interested in the anti-aging benefits, like reducing dark spots on my face, reducing wrinkles around my lips, eyes, forehead, neck, etc. However, if you suffer from acne, I think this is a great product to try. They also recommend not to use this mask more than 20 minutes a day. They recommend to use it according to the instructions to see benefit after 2 weeks. I like to take pictures before beginning my first treatment, and I also like to take pictures like around 1 or 2 months to see the difference. Since this device is new to me, I will need to learn how to use it and all its settings. Like I mentioned before, I am really interested in the laser benefit of this mask. One more thing, check out the safety instruction and warnings before buying any laser device. If you are pregnant, if you have health issues, consult with your health provider first. For more information and questions, visit their website. I will link it down in the description section of this video. I am really excited to begin using my new laser mask. Thank you very much for joining me today, discovering a new beauty product. See you next time. Bye. I like it because it covers my chin, so the lights come down to my chin and my neck and a little bit of my chest. But sometimes I also use my mask for my chest and my neck area, like I just show you. And I am really happy with this mask.